Hi, my name is Sydney Wingate. I am a participant of Challenge Sydney 2016, and I am in Math 1000, and today my video is going to be on related rates. So, here we go. So, here's our problem. A balloon, sorry, that's supposed to be 2 L's right there, my bad. But a balloon is rising vertically above a level straight road at a constant rate of 1 feet per second. Just when the balloon is 65 feet above the ground, a bike moving at a constant rate of 17 feet per second passes under it. How fast is the distance S of t between the bike and balloon increasing 3 seconds later? So first we're going to want to draw a diagram for it. So we're going to put the balloon up here, just to give a little detail. There's the balloon, and then it says it is, here is the bike. The bike is down here, and then this is what we're going to be finding. So, here I'm just going to draw a little, the bike. It's not really a good drawing, but it will do. There we go. So, we have to find, what we're looking for is, I'm just going to label each side. So this is going to be Z, this is H, and this is B. Ooh. So, since the balloon is rising at a constant rate of 1 feet per second, that will be dH over dt because that's the derivative. So dH dt equals 1, and that's going to be the rate it's moving at. And so here I'm going to write this h a little lower so that you guys don't get confused. So next we're going to find that since when the balloon is 65 feet above the ground, it's moving at a constant rate of 17 feet per second. The bicycle is moving at a constant rate of 17 feet per second. We can put, hold on, let's make this earlier. Just like visualize it more. As the bicycle is moving at a constant rate of 17 feet per second, we can do the same thing. This can be dB over dt equals 17. That's for 17 feet per second. My bad. And then just right here, because that's the speed the bike's going at. And so first, since we're trying to find how fast the distance is increasing between the bike and the balloon, we're finding the rate that it's moving. So the rate is going to be dz over dt, and so that's what we need to find. So we are not technically given these values, but we're given enough information to find it. So since it says how fast is the distance st increasing 3 seconds later, we're given the time 3 seconds later. So we can use our lovely dirt formula, d equals rt, to find b. So we can do that by, the rate is 17 times 3, and that's going to give us 51. So b equals 51. That's what b equals. So for h, also the only thing we have to do is basically do 65 plus 3, because that's the height 3 seconds later. So just add these. So just do 65 plus 3. So just add. So that is going to equal H equals 68. So therefore we got all these. And we're going to use our Pythagorean theorem to find Z. So this is going to be 51 squared plus 68 squared equals Z squared. And this is going to give us 85 equals Z. So therefore our Z equals 8. So we have all the steps to figure out. We have all the not steps. We have all of the information to figure out what is dz over dt. We just have to find the formula we're going to use to find dz over dt. So since this is a triangle, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem like we did right here, and that is going to be h squared plus b squared equals z squared. And so we need to take the derivative. We need to take the derivative of this formula because we need to get, because right now we only have h, b, and then z. So that's already stuff we know. But we need to find what the rates are. We need to incorporate these rates. So we need to find the derivative of this formula. So that was going to be 2h dh dt plus 2b db dt equals 2z dz. Make sure you guys see this. 2z dz dt. So that's the formula we're going to be using to find dz over dt. So all we have to do basically now is just plug everything in. So this is going to be 2 RH 68 dh over dt 1 plus 2, that's RB 51 dB over dt 17 equals 2, what's our z? 85, and then dz over dt, just write that because that's what we're trying to find. So we just have to put that up in there. So this is all together is going to equal 1,870 equals 170 dz over dt. And I'm just going to bring this over here. So I just do 1,870 divided by 170, and this is going to give us 11 equals 11 equals dz. 11 equals dz over dt. And so that's basically, the rate that these two is increasing is 11 feet per second. And there's our answer. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.